Whew. Why is everything so red today? Let's just set things right. Alright, so in this video we'll be talking about the Redtiger dashcams, two of the most top-end dashcams available from Redtiger, the Redtiger F17 and the Redtiger F7N. Well, basically the F7N comes in minor different variants such as the F7NP, F7NT and the regular F7N. So all three cameras are pretty much the same except small differences here and there. So you can straight away compare the F17 with this, and if you are confused between these two cameras, well, in this video I'm going to show you the comparison, the video sample comparison between these two cameras, specifically talking about the front camera, and show you its number plate readability as well. So what's the exact nature of difference between the video qualities of these two cameras, and which one should you prefer, the F17 or the F7N? Well, in this video you'll just find the answer to that. So before you watch the rest of this video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and of course don't forget to like this video as well. You're watching Travel Tech. Let's get started. So straight away comparing the video samples from both the cameras, on top you find the F17 and on the bottom you see the F7N. Now at an immediate view you won't find a major difference between the video qualities between these two. But what I can definitely say is the Redtiger F7N offers a sharper footage and the F17 offers a much more softer video quality. Even in terms of the headlight glare, I think the F17 gives out a bit more glare from the oncoming headlights when you compare it with the F7N. In terms of technical specifications though, both cameras offer an upscaled 4K resolution, that's 3840 into 2160p at 30 frames per second. But in terms of bitrate, the F7N has a slightly higher bitrate of 24,000 kbps compared to the 21,000 kbps bitrate of the F17. Even in terms of file size, the F7N has a higher file size of 180 MB per minute compared to the 156 MB per minute of the F17. Now moving on to the daytime sample, so this is where things even look much more clear and evident that the F7N has a much sharper video quality and the F17 offers a softer image overall. In terms of saturation, both look pretty much the same. In terms of contrast too, both look pretty much the same. And as I said previously, there is no drastic difference between the video qualities of these two cameras. Marginal differences wherein the F7N does seem to offer a slightly more information and slightly more sharpness in the overall video quality. Moving on to the number plate readability during daytime, on top is the F17 and on the bottom is the F7N, and if we zoom in to take a look, practically the same read. I think there's no major difference, although I do feel that the numbers in the F7N look a bit more darker when you compare it with the F17, maybe 10-20% more darker, but that's it. No other major difference between the number plate readability between these two cameras, specifically during daytime. Moving on to the nighttime number plate readability. Now this is under the glare of headlights, so as you can see straight away, the number plates look completely whitewashed because neither of these cameras gets the StarVest 2 sensor. Now this is a common phenomenon with all cameras without StarVest 2 sensor and not just limited to the Redtiger cameras. But if we take a look at the number plates not under the glare of headlights, you are able to get a good read of the number plate in such conditions, and specifically in this example, as said previously, the Redtiger F17 offers a much softer image, a much higher processed image should I say, and the F7N offers a more raw image, a more sharper image, giving you all that dashboard reflection noise within the windshield. Specifically talking about the numbers and the letters in the number plate, pretty much the same, not a drastic difference. Slightly darker in the F7N, but overall a pretty similar picture except for the slightly higher contrast and sharpness in the F7N sample. So as said previously, the kind of difference in the video quality is pretty much bare minimum and not a drastic difference as you would expect from the beginning. But considering the price of these two cameras, the Redtiger F17 comes at a price of about 16 to 17,000 rupees and the F7N series range from a price of about 13 to 15,000 rupees. So even in terms of price, you do get a difference about 1,000 to 2,000 bucks. So what I would recommend is that if you expect a complete coverage around the car from a dashcam, the Redtiger F17 with its triple channel setup should be your ultimate choice. But if you're satisfied with a dual channel setup and want to save yourself some money, and of course if you like to have a touchscreen on a dashcam, the F7NT or even other F7N series models will probably suit you the best. So no matter which of these two dash cams you intend to buy, you'll find the link to purchase in the description below. And just hold on, since you're watching a video of travel tech, you get an exclusive travel tech discount of 1660 rupees on any of the dash cam which you want to buy from the Redtiger website. This offer is exclusive to travel tech viewers, and all you need to do to get that discount is click on the link in the description, select your favorite dash cam, and during payment just apply the coupon code TRAVELTECH, TRAVELTECH. So just apply this coupon code, you get a straight up 1666 rupee discount. Add in your payment details and add in your address and purchase the dash cam with a huge discount of close to 1700 rupees. So if you're always planning on buying a Redtiger dash cam, this is the best chance for you to buy the dash cam with a super cool discount. Anyway, so this was the video for today, and if this did help you in making that correct purchase decision, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and smash that like button. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. Also, if you do have any queries, you can write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to follow me on my Facebook, Insta and the WhatsApp page. The links to those are given in the description as well. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.